What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna unboxing my DJI Action 5 Pro. Been wanted for a while. I've been using a dear friend of mine's Action 2, DJI Action 2 camera, and I truly appreciate him for loading me his. But I'm just so excited this New Year Day. I'm able to have my own camera finally. All right, so and I would like to share that with you, as well as I want to wish you all a happy New Year. Okay, so let me unboxing it and see what we got here. All right, so let me grab the camera here. Let's see what we got. Okay, so these are all the accessories. Yeah, I can see that here. So all the accessories here. We'll go through them. And I think put this here, put it this way. So this here, I think cleaning the lens, the camera lens, and also I think there's a lens protector that I'm going to put on it to protect the lens. Alright, look at these. Look at this. I'm just so excited. Been wanting it for a while. So Osmo, DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. All right. Can't wait to try it out. So when I try it out, I'll share with you all. We'll see how the quality goes, and also I'm probably gonna do some video at night. They said that I can set up as a night vision, and it looks pretty good. So, but I can't wait to test it out. All right. And then I have another box here. Oh, put this here. Got another box here. Let's see what it is. That thing. Oh, okay. So here is the I also order DJI mini mic, mini microphone here. So wow, just so excited. Okay, so let me open all these stuff up. Yeah, I heard a lot of good things about the DJI mini mic. A lot of folks recommended it. That's why I ordered it. Of course, it's within my budget also. So that's the most important. Okay, a lot cheaper than the others. Cool. Alright, so let's open this up first and see what all the accessory that comes with it. Yeah, so you can put your camera if you want to use the camera. Just like the holder there. I think this is how it goes. It's like this. And oh, cool. Okay. So I guess you can mount it in here. So it's different accessory. Still have to learn all this stuff. How to put all this stuff together. So that's pretty cool. Oh, it comes with okay. So the thing is, you can mount on your dashboard of your car, and I think also the windshield. You can put it on your windshield too. Cool. Oh, like I said, I'm gonna have to figure all this stuff out. It's awesome. Okay. Oh, yeah, suction. I guess you press that down, and I guess the camera goes up here. Okay, so excited. Very excited. Alright. And then let's see here. This is, like I said, the camera holder. Yeah, so I mean the camera holder, phone. So, and that's what I'm using to record right now. I'm using my phone. All right, so it's like this, I think. Okay, slide that and slide your phone in there. Okay, so what we got next here? Open this thing. There you go. Alright, so let's see what's in here. I don't know what this is. Like I said, I'll have to figure it out. I think this is what probably cover the lens, so I don't get dirty. Oh yeah, this lens cover. So these in here, yeah, see the clear plastic. So in here, my assumption is that it's covered the lens. The protector, just like you get the screen protector for your phone. The same thing here. Okay, and of course that's just the wipes to clean your camera lens before you put the screen protector on, the lens protector on. Oh yeah, it is. So this is the little round one. It's a different size. And I think they gave two each. Yeah. Let's see here. Yeah, exactly what it is. Okay, so that's the. Hope you can see that here. There you go. All right. Exciting. Finally. Oh, here's another one. So there's 3 different sizes. So here's the, put this way you can see it here. The square one here. Alright. And see that. Cool. Of course, it's just a Okay. Alright, let's see the size of. Oh. Yeah, so the round one, the screen protector, the round one, I think it's going to go here, of course. And of course, the little square one's going to go here, and I think the rectangle one, it's going to go on the back side. It's my assumption. So I'm thinking this is the cameras in there. Oh, drop some. Tag. I believe this is the batteries. Like I said, folks, I'm trying to figure all this stuff out. Alright. Oh. No. It's like, nope, this is the camera. Oh, wow. That's cool. I thought it was a little bit bigger than that, but nope, this is perfect. It's almost the same size as the Action 2, DJI Action 2, so okay, that is awesome. It's the camera. Yeah. Yeah. And of course, yeah, so the screen, we got a screen protector there to peel that off. Okay, but since it's brand new, I'm gonna try to put in the screen protector first before I actually start using it. Since it's pretty clean right now. Okay, so we got. Oh, this is probably the batteries. USB-C. See right there. And yes, this is okay. What does it comes with here? Oh, some other accessories here. Okay. So yep. Oh, I also got a case too. Nice. Got a case for it too. That's cool. Alright. Let's see what this is. Not sure what this is, but I'll figure it out. Ah, okay. So magnetic. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Just like that. Oh, this you can probably mount it to your car or to your helmet, or whatever that may be here as well. Okay. Let's see that. Cool. So excited. Oh, the magnet's pretty strong. Okay. Very strong. Alright, and yes, this is the batteries. Here. Open that. There you go. Yep. It's the battery. Okay. Let me show you all the kind of the whole shot here of what I got. All right. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you all here the DJI mini mic. Okay, so let me open this up before I do the whole summary of what I got. Come with the manual and comes with a nice case too. Look at that. That's cool. Not sure what that is. Oh yeah, it's the microphone to wind protector. I think that's what that is. Of course, a USB-C there on one side. Oh no, this is the. Oh yeah, both. Sorry about that, guys. Let's see here. Open it up and then probably give you more accurate information here. Oh, okay. So this is the plug-in, I think, for your mic. Okay. And of course the USB and then the USB-C on that side. Okay. That's that. And then, oh, that's nice. I believe the microphone is in here. Open it up. Very nice packaging too, by the way. Yeah, I think DJI did a great job in their packaging as well. Yeah, right there. And I think this is the hook up here, back here, to charge the microphone. It's got this seal here. Label seal. Let's peel it off. there. Open it up. Wow, look at that. I'm just so happy, you guys. It's like a dream come true, you know. Wow. Okay. So I gotta learn all this stuff. Like I said, this way. So, mini microphone. It's pretty, yeah, pretty nice. Okay. So I got two of them. Two microphones. One there, one that side. Let me see that better. So one here and one here. And I gotta figure out what this one is. This probably an adapter. Okay, to your phone looks like something. Okay, I'll learn more about it. Hey, you guys have any advice for me? Leave your comments down below. Okay, I am new to these things. Okay, so any advice you can give me, you know, I would much greatly appreciate it. Alright. See, it's not a full charge yet, so it's got 4 dots here. So I'm gonna plug it in after this, so it'll be full charge. Alright, so now I'm gonna give you an overview, shots of what I got here. Alright. Alright, so here is the overview of all the items that I got. Alright, so you see the batteries flashing there, and of course we got the camera there, and then the camera case, which I've shown you all already, and of course the batteries and the manuals. And also the holder, you know, for your car windshield or the dash. There, okay. All right, folks. So I turned this on. It's just to test it out here. From what I'm able to see so far, the quality is just, in my personal opinion, it's just amazing. It's very, very nice. Okay, you can see here. So I'm using my camera to do the recording right now, so you can see. All right, and then in here you can play with it. You can do the slow. Subject tracking here. Let me see, nighttime mode, and of course you can do the video, and then you can also take a picture. So that's all I'm able to learn so far. All right, folks. So that's a wrap for unboxing. My DJI Action Camera 5 Pro, as well as the mini microphone, DJI mini microphone. And hey, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, I would greatly appreciate it if you would. It'll help us immensely. And as always, I wish you all well and Happy New Year. and God bless. All right.
分手会不会被挽留？心碎的声音谁来收？曾经的誓言随风飘走，留下我独自承受。